Hi there! Welcome to Data Prep U, your one-stop shop for analytic education. My name is Chad Martin, founder of Data Prep U, premier Alteryx partner focused on training and education within the entire Alteryx platform. Now, I began this journey at Data Prep U with the purpose to upskill today's analysts on the tools and platforms that will help you become more efficient, have more fun at work, and skyrocket your career. Now, how do we do this? First and foremost, we firmly believe in the value of quality training materials. This is why we create all of our content from the ground up, mixing in foundational, also known as getting started training, industry-specific training such as finance, healthcare, supply chain, and more, and we even provide tailored customer-specific coursework upon request. Now, we deliver in several different ways as well, ranging from live instructor-led training to virtual training and even engaging and interactive coursework delivered on demand through dataprepu.com. Each of our students have different goals. Our mission is to work with you to exceed those goals, often creating processes you never before thought possible. After all, we all also have different interests, both inside and outside of work, so why not at least make the work part as fun as possible? All right, enough of me. I'd like to invite you to come and see for yourself. Come join us in our Alteryx Rapid Launch course to see if the Data Prep U approach is right for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to meeting you in the Data Prep U.